Morning all, Patrick here. Listen, I thought I'm gonna sort of have a look at some cheap eating joints in Melbourne, especially if you're visiting from overseas or something like that, or if you haven't had the trip into the city. There's some great culinary spots, cheap eats in other words, and it's a good mixture of food, you know. So I visited a few of these joints and I thought, hey, I'll put this up, check it out. Great value for money and the food's awesome. So have a look and, you know, leave a comment, tell me what you think.
Panda's barbecue skewers are the tastiest one-handed snack in town. Starting at around $2 each, try crispy and flavorful sticks of lamb, chicken wings or pork ribs with green chili. The barbecue restaurant is at 202 Bourke Street, Melbourne. Also does plates for two. It's a great spot to sit down and just soak in the atmosphere. Excellent place. Uncle Tess's Crepe Brulee. Is it a crepe? Known for its soft and jiggly Japanese style cheesecakes, can't eat a cake in one sitting. That's where the Crepe Brulee comes in. It's a custard cream filled crepe with a caramelized sugar crust to crack through. Absolutely delicious, value for money. A towering mountain of snowy shaped ice, condensed milk, bopa and fresh fruit await a scoopy. You get a single serve treat for just $9.50. That includes the new vegan lychee bingsu. Absolutely delicious. Iconic South Korean chef Jong Wong Paik has opened his first Australian outpost. Try flaming Jeonju-jang, a chili-spiked black bean broth rich with umami flavour. The cult status seafood noodle bowl you would have seen on countless K-dramas. Bowls start at just $11 and they open until very late. An absolute must. Build your own bowl at Melbourne's cheapest Japanese noodle bar. The bowls from Udon Yasen at 186 Bourke Street start under $5 for flavour like teriyaki chicken, sukiyaki beef or bean curd. Customize your bowl with all your flavours. Add a tempura, kimchi and a soft boiled egg for $1 or $2. And then go hard at the self-serve garnish station. Don't hold back. Who can go past a heartbreaker banh mi? 6 flavours to choose from, including signature crispy pork belly and caramelised tofu. There's even a vegan roll for plant-based foodies. All the banh mi's are under $10. And while you wait, smash down a Vietnamese iced coffee or two. Absolutely delicious. Try the famous Korean street toast. Bongsol Toast is a famous chain with more than 200 stores in Korea. Their one and only Australian store just opened in Haley Lane. Start simple with egg and cheese, or go to OTT with added hash browns and beef bulgogi. Everything on the menu is under $11. Can't go wrong with this place. Absolutely flavor packed. Top off the day with a Royal Stacks hamburger. 90s style, can't go wrong. Prices start at $12.90 for the single stack burger, filled with special sauce, pickles, and for all the trimmings. Pair it with potato gems, crispy fries, or perhaps even a $13.50 pina colada. There's an in-house gaming arcade awaiting your arrival. Have a great day.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Make sure you visit some of these spots. They're great value for money. And have a great weekend. As usual, you know, all the way with Ukraine, they need support, and they need support from bloody Germany, especially at the moment. We need to release those Leopard tanks that will give them some sort of incentive to move forward and keep these buggers under control. So all the best, have a great weekend, and look forward to seeing you again. Ciao for now.